So the question, how do I maintain trust while promoting efficacy and efficiency with my team, is a really big question. And this is a very important question because you cannot have efficacy and efficiency without the existence of trust. Having a high functioning team doesn't necessarily mean you have to have a team where everybody are dear, best friends. Trust is a neurological state in which we are optimized for our greatest thinking and risk-taking and creativity and innovative problem solving and empathy and all that good stuff. And trust is created in how we're communicating with one another. And the way to create trust that will ensure efficacy and efficiency is to create a culture of safety. Everyone on that team needs to feel safe with one another. Psychological safety essentially is, hey, I feel safe with you. I know that I am not gonna be punished for making a mistake. I can throw out big ideas without being judged. I can tell you the hard truths without fear of retribution, and I can hear the hard truths without feeling threatened. When you have high psychological safety, that equals high trust. When you have that, then you have efficacy and efficiency.